y'all, Kobe Custom here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I display my hobbies anywhere from model cars to upholstery to mechanical, electrical, and I got a couple of project cars that I'll be building. Come along with me and let's check it out. Hey y'all, Kobe Custom here, and yeah, you guessed it, I'm working on the 1969 Chevy Camaro convertible, aka Old Mojo Killer. But anyway, let's get this camera turned around and let you see what I got going on today. Alright, after waiting for almost a year on these lower control arms, old Hotchkis finally came through in the clutch. So anyway, I got one side on, get ready to put this other side on. I got oh, here we go. I got some new bolts for the lower control arms. They'll go in here. And I got some new uppers. They'll go here. So anyway, stand by. Let me see if I can wrestle this thing on. Oh, I also got this grease that needs to go on the sides of these bushings on both sides. And I'm gonna have to pull this plastic back a little bit, and it's gonna go up in that area there, if you can see that. Anyway, let me get this I'll get it right here in a minute, hyperlapse started, and I'll get back with you. Alright, I'm back with you. Finally got that thing hammered and kind of tapped in, and got some bolts in there. But you see it, it's getting there. Next, I guess I'll go ahead and install these upper A-arms. But anyway, coming to a block near you. Oh yeah.